also, besides the shape of rectangle, irregular, and also there's one type of call with flat lot. That means that, there is a one property in front of your one. Your property is in the backside and with a narrow driveway going in. But those lots also affect your cost too, because when you build those build house in those property, it might trigger a fire sprinkler issue. And then second, we talk about the slope of the property. A building on a slope lot, when we do building on a slope lot, it depends on the slope. Sometimes you have to do some grading. Now, grading is another part where will increase your cost of construction. So yes, you do in a slope lot, you get the height advantage. However, the building cost definitely will make will be increased. Now, another one is there's a location of property. Now, this location is not only say, what type of area on that island? Is it like, eastbound, westbound, leeward, airbound? It's not that location. Okay? It happens everywhere. What you generally speaking is like, first of all, we say, is the lot is only have one side facing the street? Or the lot is a corner lot, have like two sides you facing the street? In residential lot, that is something that you're concerned, because there is a rule on the frontage. When you're part of your property facing the front, you only have a certain limit of your driveway. Now, if you have a two sides of corner lot, okay, if two sides of street frontage, then you can have two driveway. In Hawaii, we have this type of land, is either in the mountain or in the valley. Those affect your soil condition. And also, if you if your house is inside a valley, you might worry about is if your land in a flood zone. Now, another one is related to flood zone too, is oceanfront property, right by the beach. Now, develop or build house along the shoreline also is a flood zone. That is a lot of challenge. By the shoreline, we have to do a different type of survey to make sure your house, we have to keep a shoreline setback, from the water. And then last one we talk about is easement. Now, easement is you have a land, but partial of the land, you do not have the right for using it because the right is assigned to someone, third party. It could be wastewater